How to install. Take out the main unit and accessories. Attach the handles by aligning the red dots and inserting them until you hear a click, indicating they are securely connected. Firmly insert the air hose into the machine. Screw the gas adapter onto the gas cylinder, tighten it by hand, and then use the included tool to secure it fully. When using, turn the gas cylinder valve in the direction of the arrow, opening it approximately 6 to 8 turns. Turn the hose valve in the direction of the arrow, opening it approximately 4 to 5 turns. Replacing the fuse. When a circuit malfunctions or experiences an abnormality, the fuse will blow melt to cut off the current, protecting the circuit and the equipment. If the fuse is blown, it must be replaced. Connect the power supply. Interface. Press Start to enter standby mode. Rigger count can be reset. Must be reset after operation stops. Gas flow adjustment knob rear side. Turn counterclockwise to increase airflow. Turn clockwise to decrease airflow. Recommended adjustment: 1 to 1.5 rotations. Press and hold the handle button to start operation. Operational demonstration: continuous mode versus intermittent mode. The adjustment method is the same for both interface. There are 3 handpiece options available: diamond treatment head, diamond straight needle, diamond curved needle. Select diamond straight needle or diamond curved needle.